Hello. I'm going to tell you all about biotechnology. That might sound like a big and scary word, but don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you. Have you ever played with a toy that has different parts that you can take apart and put back together? Biotechnology is kind of like that. Scientists use it to take apart and put together different parts of living things to create something new. But what is living things, you ask? Living things are plants, animals, and even humans. And biotechnology can be used to study and change these living things to make them better. For example, biotechnology can be used to create new medicines that help people feel better when they're sick. Scientists use biotechnology to study how different living things work, like how our bodies fight off germs when we get sick. And when they understand how something works, they can use biotechnology to create new medicines that can help us feel better. It's like being a wizard and making a new spell to make your friends feel better when they have a cold. But how do they do it? Scientists can use biotechnology to create new molecules that can act like a key to unlock certain parts of our bodies to help fight off diseases. It's like having a secret key that unlocks a door to a room where the germs are hiding, so we can go in and defeat them. And sometimes, scientists can even use biotechnology to create a special type of medicine called a vaccine. This medicine can help our bodies learn how to fight off diseases before we even get sick. It's like giving your body a special training session so it's ready to fight off the bad guys. Biotechnology can also be used to make plants grow better and produce more food. This is important because we need food to survive and thrive. But how does biotechnology work? Scientists use special tools to study living things at a really small level, like looking at tiny cells under a microscope. It's like being a detective and looking for clues to solve a mystery. Once they understand how something works, scientists can use biotechnology to change it. For example, they can change the way plants grow so that they produce more food. But biotechnology isn't just about changing things, it's also about understanding them better. Scientists can use biotechnology to study how different living things work, and that can help us understand how to treat diseases and even how to create new medicines. Biotechnology can also be used to make things like clothes and fuel. Scientists can use living things like bacteria to create things we use every day. It's like a magical factory that makes things out of living things. Biotechnology can even be used to create new animals. Scientists can use biotechnology to take parts of different animals and put them together to create something new. It's like building a new creature out of different puzzle pieces. Let me tell you about another example of biotechnology. You know how we love to eat yummy fruits and vegetables? Scientists can use biotechnology to make them even better. It's like having a magic wand that can make your favorite foods taste even more delicious. They do this by taking the genes, which are like instructions, from different plants and mixing them together to create a new plant with the best qualities from each. It's like making a super salad by taking the best parts of each vegetable and putting them together. And when they're done, we can have fruits and vegetables that are bigger, juicier, and even more delicious than before. It's like having a whole garden of super fruits and veggies just waiting for us to eat. But that's not all. Biotechnology can also help make our food more nutritious. Scientists can use biotechnology to add vitamins and other nutrients to our food to help us stay healthy. It's like having a magic potion that can make us stronger and healthier just by eating our favorite foods. But just like with anything, there are risks with biotechnology. Scientists need to be careful when they're using it, to make sure they don't accidentally create something that could be dangerous. That's why there are rules and regulations in place to make sure biotechnology is used safely. It's like wearing a helmet when you're riding a bike, to keep you safe. Biotechnology is always changing and evolving. Scientists are always discovering new things and trying to use biotechnology to make the world a better place. It's like an exciting adventure that never ends. Biotechnology can be used to solve big problems, like climate change and hunger. Scientists can use biotechnology to create new ways to grow food and create clean energy. It's like being a superhero and saving the planet. But biotechnology can also be used to help individuals. For example, scientists can use biotechnology to create new treatments for diseases like cancer and diabetes. It's like being a doctor and helping people feel better. So there you have it. Biotechnology is a really important and exciting field that can be used to make the world a better place.